Judith, what are you doing? We need her to like us. And now the spinning. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.